skincare product, that too a everyday wear moisturizer. So this is a big no from my side, guys. If you are planning to invest on a soft cream variant, guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with yet another video. So as you guys know that I shop frequently from Nykaa, and I get all my daily essentials and some indulges from Nykaa every month. So yeah, this month I shopped during their pink hot pink sale, and it was quite some time before, and in between they had even freedom sale. And if you see, the internet was flooded with hot pink sale and freedom sale. But before making a video on what all I purchased, I wanted to ensure that whatever I purchased, the products, that whether you guys should go for it or not. So that therefore I tried this product on my own skin and myself, and I'll be sharing my experience with you guys. And meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing to it, because as you know, I make awesome videos and content for you guys. So stay tuned. So the very first item that I got from Nykaa is this Nivea soft cream in the flavor Berry Blossom. And I have also tried the variant Tropical Fruit, that yellow color bottle, and I quite like the fragrance. Now I have seen a lot of videos and the trend these days to have a no fragrance skincare, but personally I don't have any issue if a product has any fragrance. For me, the issue is the product claims should be satisfied. So I have been an ardent user of Nivea soft cream since a long time, and so this cream, in spite of having so much fragrance, has not caused any harm on my skin, because maybe I am fragrance tolerant. But this variant personally is a very disappointing. The tropical fruits cream, it has a beautiful smell and I really like the smell, but this one, it smells so overhyped. I mean, I cannot take this much smell for a skincare product, that too a everyday wear moisturizer. So this is a big no from my side, guys. If you are planning to invest on a soft cream variant from Nivea, because this is the drugstore product and very cost effective, then please go for the normal Nivea soft cream, that is the white bottle, or go for the tropical fruit variant. This is worthless. Please do not waste your money on this. Next up, my all-time favorite body lotion from Nivea. It is the Body Milk Sheer Smooth 48 Hours Deep Moisture Serum body lotion. Now even in summers I use this because it suits my skin. Okay, though my skin, the skin on my body, it is like, I don't know, somewhat dry type, but my skin on my face is combination. So I literally love this, swear by this, and I have been using bottles and bottles of this cream. So you can go for it. It has a very nice and calming fragrance to it. I love it and I recommend this to you people. Okay, so next up, again one favorite of mine, it is the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun UV Sunscreen Matte Gel, having SPF 50 and PA+++. Looks like this. You have seen me talking about this product a lot. Okay, because I literally love this product and I have been using so many tubs of this product that I can very well recommend to you this product. Okay, again, it has fragrance as the fourth last ingredient. I seriously do not have any problem with fragrance, and even the fragrance is, this sunscreen is not overhyped, so yes, you can go for this. Okay, next up, it is a new purchase. I have purchased the Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. Whenever I buy a skincare, I ensure that I try the smaller packs, but with micellar waters, I want you guys, whenever you buy it, after you have given a try, please try to buy the larger bottles, because it will be more environmental friendly. So coming back to this micellar water, now the best micellar water according to me in terms of the ingredient is that from the Bioderma. Okay, Bioderma Sensibo, and yes, I love it, but you know, the cost of it can be a little bit like more for people. So if you want to go for a drugstore one, then you can definitely try this one, because I have been trying this for you say 2 to 3 weeks as of now, and it has not broke out my skin, and even it takes away the dirt and the makeup off very well. I won't say that one swipe is enough to take out the makeup, but yes, I wipe my face 2 to 3 times with this, and yes, it is enough for me to take out the makeup. So if you want to invest in a good micellar water, and if you're not sensitive to fragrance, then yes, then go for it. You can also buy the smaller size. It is I think of how much, around 225, and in Nykaa you always get a sale on this. So yeah, go and grab your hands on this micellar water, because micellar waters are babes, you know that, right? Okay, coming back to the next product, is a hair care product. It is the BBlunt Climate Control Anti-Freeze Leave-In Cream. This is the product, and I have been using it for 2 weeks. Personally, I don't know what it does to my face, because I am one person, even during COVID times, because of the nature of my work. Some of you may not be knowing that I'm a dental surgeon by profession, so I have to definitely go out every day, even during COVID pandemic, and my hair definitely suffers because I tie up bun, I leave it open when I'm coming back, and I'm mostly in bun, so my hair gets stretched a lot. So I have been trying to use this anti-freeze leave-in cream, especially because it is the monsoon season and outside weather is so much harsh. But unfortunately, it did not do any wonders. Even sometimes I don't understand that it is working or not. So yeah, if you want, you can try this, because it doesn't cost that much. I think it is for 275. Okay, you can just go for it, because products work different for different hair types, and it might work for you. And just go for it when there is a sale, because I bought it for somewhat 200 rupees. So yeah, and this is a no from my side at least. Okay, next up I got my favorite Nivea deodorant whitening sensitive underarm roll-on. I literally have lots and loads of bottles of this, maybe different fragrances, but I love it. And it has 0% alcohol, so definitely your skin won't be harmed with it. You can definitely close your eyes and go for it. Okay, I got this for an amazing sale, you guys. So keep a check on Nykaa for their amazing sales. Okay, and with this I got something as a free sample, which is very interesting actually. This is Nivea Deo Milk Beauty Elixir Dry. It is also underarm roll-on. Looks like this. Of the camera is catching, and this is a new product, guys. So yeah, it also looks like this, the same packaging, but this is a elixir actually. Okay, so basically what is the elixir? It is not something, it will be a dry formula on your skin. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried this one, but I can definitely tell from my experience of this one and the other one, with the blue cap. I don't remember the name exactly. Both are very good. Again, this formulation is almost the same. Okay, so yeah, I have high hopes from it. And the next up I got is, of course, you know, every time I shop, I add some nail pens to it, and this time I have added Nykaa matte nail lacquer in the shade white chocolate ganache. See this beautiful white shade, guys, matte white shade. You can go for it. And yeah, I will try this one in front of you actually on camera, so that you guys get an idea, because the problem with Nykaa is that some of their nail pens are amazing and some are literally pain in the ass. So yeah, this one is a good one, and the color looks like this. Sorry guys, I applied on one finger only. Okay, ow, I cannot actually bring closer. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then consider subscribing to my channel, like and share this video with your friends. And even I have shopped for this month, that is for September, from Nykaa, and I'll be reviewing it soon for you guys. In the meanwhile, stay safe, stay happy, and keep spreading love, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at the ID The Creative Canvas, because I post a lot of feeds over there. So stay happy, stay safe, bye.